How can you buy a rental property? Next week, the 18th, here at my office, I'm teaching a class, Rental Properties 101. We're going to talk about all the details on what it takes to buy rental homes and start investing in real estate, in addition to just owning your own home as an investment. So, one tip that I will give you right now that a lot of people don't know, a lot of people kind of know the ins and outs a little bit in terms of having to have some kind of a big down payment for a rental property, which is true. However, not all the time do you have to have the cash saved up and available for that. So if you've already bought a home, chances are, if you've had it for a year or 2 years, you've built a lot of equity and you have this equity in the home that you think sometimes only you can get if you sell the home. But if you leverage a home equity line of credit, you can pull out some of that money and utilize that money for a down payment on buying additional real estate. Really simple thing a lot of people use in order to acquire multiple properties. So at the class next week, 5:30 here at my office, we're going to talk about all the ins and outs of buying rental properties. So if you can make it, click on the registration link in the email, and then that way I can make sure there's space reserved for you. If you have any questions, just let me know. But just kind of as a side note, interest rates are on the rise, which is kind of creating a good market for buying rental properties, because what's going to happen is we're going to start to see less people that are going to be in the market to buy a home, because it's going to push them out a little bit out of their comfort zone, because those rates are going to be a little bit higher. And so it kind of makes a really good opportunity for things to kind of soften up and settle down in this crazy market we've had for a little while. Won't go away completely, but it'll start to get a little bit easier for looking at buying additional real estate. So if you have questions around that or anything else that I can do, please feel free to reach out to me, and I would love to help.